Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I am finally here with my altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I'm kind of late. It's already 7:30. Usually I do these early, and today was just, or this week has just been kind of busy, and I just been tired. But I came in here, I was chatting with some friends and wanted to come on and share before Thursday is over. Okay, so I'm altering a playing card, and this measures, it's a small one. It's it's not even 2 1/4 by, it's not even 3 1/2. So it's a little bit shorter. And all I did was sanded the background with this. You can get this at the Dollar Tree. I love using these blocks to sand down my playing cards because they have like a gloss to them. I added some book pages in the back up here and down here. And then I just went through my box of ephemera and bits and pieces, and I pulled out some of this flower and this acetate leaf that I like how it's clear, and it has that pretty blue, and you can still see the queen in the background. Really like how that is. And I inked the edges of the flower. Then I went through my words and I found friendship and also this dragonfly. And it was so funny. I picked out friendship and the dragonfly. One of my friends really loved dragonflies, or a couple of my friends like dragonflies. And then I added some silver rhinestone bling to my card, and that is this is for week 47 for Deck the Year. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.